So every year during the monsoon season in Besut, Terengganu, so we experience heavy flood, and the one that have lost their home will forcefully move to the flood relief center. So last year, I've joined a humanitarian relief activity and helped them while experiencing the flood. So I've noticed that there is a scarcity of fresh water supply for daily basis purposes. So without a proper and effective solution to overcome this issue, the scarcity of fresh supply water, as mentioned before, would be inevitable, and people there just pray to God and expecting the worst. So we aim to combat this problem through our groundbreaking invention.
So to combat the issues that we mentioned earlier, we want to find out some objectives. So the first one is we want to turn the dirty flood water into a clean drinkable water source. And the second one is that we want to find out if it is actually possible to clean the water using a distillation method to filter out the dirty parts such as the dirt, the sewage and etc. from the flood water to the clean drinkable water source.
But how does our invention work? So we are going to take advantage of the flood water to produce a clean water supply. But due to the flood water being full of dirt, microbes, bacteria and viruses, it is vital for us to kill. So how are we going to kill it? We are going to kill it with heat. So first, we are going to take 5 liters of water and boil it down until it releases water vapors onto the ceiling of our pipe. And the water vapors will now flow down the pipe into a separate container and full of the water vapors, which is now going to be pure water free of dirt, microbes, viruses and bacteria. So after all the water has been evaporated, there will be dirt accumulated at the bottom of the container. So this sewage can be thrown out and thus ready for our next batch. And I forgot to mention that our invention is powered by electrical energy gathered from solar panels that are attached to our roof. This solar energy will be converted into heat to boil the water down.
Okay, so for our invention, we use two power source, that is electricity and solar panel. We use solar panel because we can charge it during the day and use it during the night. Our invention uses the concept of distillation, which helps in remove contaminants in the water. Distillation process separate water from the contaminants such as salts, chemicals, bacteria and pollutants. Distillation process also help in sterilizing the water, just like I said, it kills bacteria with heat and make the water be much safer and cleaner for consumption. And lastly, distillation also helps in reducing the concentration of minerals in the water. And as we know, in flood water, there are many minerals that are present in the water. Thus, it makes the water be much less concentrated with minerals and make it much more idealistic for consumption.